Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use dryer sheet, how to use drying sheet in a drying machine properly, okay? Yes. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use drying sheet in a drying machine properly. So most of the time we got this stuff but we don't know how to use it. So I just start back to share with you guys how to use drying sheet in a drying machine properly, okay? So I'll first start by showing you guys my machine, okay? So I have my machine is a set. I have two set of machine here. I have like the washing machine right here. This is the washing machine, and I have the drying machine right here, and the drying machine is open. So I'm just gonna be closing it to show you guys some of the functions working of this drying machine, okay? So the purpose of the video today is about how to put or how to use drying sheet in a drying machine properly, okay? Yes, this is what we're going to be doing today, okay? And when you stay with me till the end of this video, I'm also going to be showing you how to save the remaining drying sheet without it losing its scent, okay? Yep. So if you just want to know some of the products I have in my laundry room, this is my laundry room right here. I have a washing machine and a drying machine right here. So these are some of the products I use in my laundry room. Right here I have a laundry soap. This is liquid detergent right here, and I have the powder soap, and I have another liquid soap right here. So these are the stuff I use, but like I always tell you guys, feel free to use any soap of your choice. Yes, as for me, this is what I use in my washing machine, okay? So the best soap that people recommend you to use in your washing machine is liquid soap, okay? Just use any liquid soap of your choice. But as for me, I love to use the powder soap because I just love the scent. Yeah, and the good thing about it is like the color don't leave on your clothes. Most especially when you're doing white clothes, like you're washing white clothes, this color don't really leave on your white clothes. This is why I love it. So I'm gonna be showing you guys some of the functions on this drying machine before we put the sheets in the machine, okay? So I'm just gonna be getting this up off the way for you guys to see the dashboard, okay? So I'm getting all of this up here from the way right here, and so this is the drying sheet I'm gonna be using right here. Oh my gosh, sorry. Don't do this to me. Okay. So this is the drying sheet right here I'm going to be using later. But before I use it, I'm going to be starting my machine, okay? Okay. I'm just going to put my machine on like this right here. On this is the brand of my machine right here. This is the brand. This is what I'm using. It's a set, the drying machine and the washing machine. So this one you see here is the drying machine right here. So you have a power button right here. This power button allows you to put this machine on, and it also allows you to turn this machine off. So I'm going to be starting this machine. I'm going to be putting this machine on by touching this power button right here. Good. Now I'm going to be selecting the cycle I'm going to be using on this drying machine, okay? Right now, I'm going to be selecting what cycle I'm using, okay? So I'm going to start right here to just, you see like the dashboard or the screen of the machine is clear. There is no writing there because I have not selected what I want to use. So I'm just going to be going around to choose what I want to use. I'll just give you guys a quick tutorial of the functions of the button, okay? So right here, we're going to come down to quick dry. If you just want your clothes to get dry quick, we're going to come right here. Quick dry takes about 20-30 minutes. 20-30 minutes for quick dry. Yep, quick dry, 20-30 minutes. Let's see, time dry. Right here, this take 40 minutes. That's a lot of time. Oh my gosh. Let's see, touch up and see. Touch up right here. 20 minutes. Yeah, this one is not ready bad. Maybe your clothes is just warm or cold. You just want to make it, dry better. I think it's what I mean. Yeah, let's see, dedicate. Dedicate. 25 minutes. 25 minutes is not that bad. Yeah. Kasha takes like 35 minutes. Yeah, 35 minutes is not bad too. Kasha for 35 minutes is not bad. Yeah. So right here 35 again. We got normal for 40 minutes. Normal for 40 minutes, which is not really bad. We have bulky items for 60 minutes. Bulky items 60 minutes. Let's see what heavy duty got for us. Heavy duty 50 minutes. It's not bad. 50 minutes for heavy duty. It's not bad. So, but actually, I love to use, when I'm drying my clothes, I love to use normal, okay? So I'm going to come back here to normal right here. I got normal. Normal going to take me for 40 minutes, which is not bad. 40 minutes for normal is not really bad for me. And I have my machine. They got high, they have medium, they have low, they have extra low, they have air only. I don't want air only. I'm going to be taking medium. Yeah, I'm going to be taking medium. And I got my cycle on normal, which is okay. They got more, they got less, they got dim, but normal is okay for me. Yeah, so yeah, and I also got this right here because I want my clothes to press. Yeah, some of the time when you wash clothes, you take it up, like when you take your clothes off the dryer, it be like so rampant. But now if you're using this iron right here, it's going to press your clothes for you, okay? Yeah, and this is the start button right here, which have two functions. The start button have two functions. One is pause and one is start, okay? So this is one button, which is the start button, but you have two functions. The first function is to start this machine, and the second function is to pause this machine. Let's say, for example, you are trying to dry your clothes and you just forgot about one t-shirt or one socks. You just want to pause this machine right here. Pause the machine and it's going to open, because when the machine starts working, it locks automatically. So when you pause this machine, it's going to be able to open for you to put your clothes in the machine and close it back. But most of the mistakes people make, like sometimes when you open your machine like that, then you forget to start it. For my machine, when you open my machine, you have to start it before you start. If you don't start it, it's just gonna be like that. Okay? Yeah, so let's come back to the drying sheet right here. I have my drying sheet. This is what I use. So the reason I got my drying sheet in the machine, in the Ziploc bag, the reason I have my drying sheet in this Ziploc bag, because I used it for the first time. Yeah, I used this drying sheet for the first time. So if I just leave it like that and leave it open, all the scent just gonna move out. So I save this drying sheet in a Ziploc bag to save the scent, for the scent to still be on it. Okay. Yeah. So when I'm doing my own clothes, when I'm drying my own clothes, I just recommend, like, this is the drying sheet right here. When I'm doing my own clothes, like if I'm using, like, putting drying sheet on my own clothes, I just recommend TD for my very self. But when I'm doing it for my kids, like my baby girl, oh my god, I like for her to smell really, really good, and she loves the scent. So I can use as much as I want to use. So let's see how much drying sheet we're gonna use today, okay, y'all? Yeah. And this drying sheet here, it got about 34 inside, 34 sheets. Wow, 34 sheets. It's not bad. And you can find this drying sheet at any store. You can get this from the other store. You get it from Dollar Tree. Get it from Walmart. You get it from Kroger. Just wherever you want to get it. But as for me, I got this drying sheet from the Dollar store. Yeah, I got it from Family Dollar. Yeah, they have Dollar General. They got Family Dollar. But I got this drying sheet from Family Dollar. So let's get into the video, okay? Okay. So now I'm going to be opening my dryer. I'm going to be opening this dryer right here. With this dryer, you have a light in it right here. Right here is a light. So if you press this button, the light going to go off. If you press it, it's going to come on. But we are not after the light today. Our purpose of this machine is to dry our clothes, okay? Yeah. So here is the drying sheet right here. Guys, forgive me or bear with me. I'm using one of my hands. Yeah, I'm using one of my hands to hold my phone. So let's see how much drying sheet we have here, right here. This is the drying sheet. I'm going to be counting for you guys to see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. So we can count it together. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Guys, look at how much drying sheet I'm using. That's a lot. I'm using a lot of drying sheet, okay? Yeah, I'm using a lot of drying sheet. Yeah, I'm using a lot. Yeah. So now, I already show you guys the function of this drying machine. We're just going to come back right here to the start button. As I told you guys, the start button have two functions. One is to pause and another is to start. So we are not pausing this machine because it's not even started yet. So we're just going to be pressing the start button to start this machine. But before I start this machine, I'm going to give you guys a warning. My drying machine sounds very, very loud. My drying machine sounds really, really loud. So if I'm starting this machine, if you are somebody who using earpiece, I recommend you to just lower your cell phone volume, or you just like skip this whole part, or you just take it from your ear. If you're using earpiece, just take the piece from your ear, okay? Because my drying machine sound really, really loud, okay? So some of the benefit of having this stuff at home, like washing machine and drying machine, it makes you it allows you to do multiple work. Like I can be cleaning up when I'm doing laundry, I be cooking, cleaning up, doing my hair, doing my nails, taking care of my kids, and doing a lot of stuff. So these are some of the benefits. I've been having my washing and drying machine forever, y'all. Yeah, and I'm a lazy person. I'm not used to going out, especially during the winter where it's snowing. I have to be driving the snow just to go and do laundry, guys. So this is the benefit. So somebody may ask you, what is the difference of having washing and drying machine? Does it take does it take a lot of current or water? I don't really see difference here. I don't really see difference. Yeah, to be honest with you guys, I don't see any difference. Yeah, I don't see difference. Yeah. So yeah, I'm about to start. We're gonna be So once again, my name is Rosemary. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm a new content creator. I'm still looking for my niche, okay? I am looking for my niche, okay? I'm looking for a specific area to focus on. So on my channel, I do just a little bit of everything. I do products review. I do cooking. I do cleaning up. I do a lot of, just a little bit of everything. So most of the time when we're doing stuff, they be like, oh, that's behind the scene. So this time this time around, I'll be cooking on a live video for everyone to see what I'm making, okay? Yeah, this is what I do in my kitchen. And my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of March, but not limited, y'all. So please support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. 2, 3, 1, go. I'm about to start the machine. Boom, there you go. Press the start button right here. And then guys, the machine is on. So this is how I use my drying sheet in a drying machine properly, okay? Yep. Bye-bye. See you next time in the next video. Come back to watch more of this video, okay? Love you all so much. Yeah, so that's it. As I told you guys, this machine is so loud. Yeah. It's really, really loud, okay? Yeah. So bye, and love you all so much.